If you're an admin or host, this walkthrough will show you how to set up, run, and complete a collaborative review session confidently, so your team can work together seamlessly. To get started, click on the studio icon in your panel access bar. Log in if prompted, and then select the session icon to begin. Select the Add icon and choose New Session. From here, you'll name your session and add the files you want to collaborate on, with options to restrict attendees by email or set a session expiration date for extra control. You can also adjust core permissions for attendees, controlling whether they can upload files, invite others, or review. Once you've set up your session, you'll want to invite other collaborators. Enter their email addresses, include a custom message if you like, and send the invitation. As people join, track their status in the Attendees pane. You can invite additional participants at any time and adjust permissions individually or in groups to ensure the right people have access to the right tools and documents. As your reviewers join, you can manage individual and group permissions to control their access and editing rights. Adjust session settings to lock or allow certain actions, and if needed, quickly deny access or reassign markups from users who should no longer participate. This gives you control at every step and keeps your documents secure. When everyone's in, the collaborative work begins. Documents update in real time as markups, comments, highlights, measurements, and annotations are added. You can alert team members to specific markups, use the chat box for side conversations, and rely on the record panel to see a running list of all activity for complete accountability. If you want to follow along with a particular reviewer, right-click their name and click to follow their actions live. All the collaboration history is easily searchable and filterable, helping you keep track of the project's progress. When you need documentation or a snapshot of the work, you can generate a report at any time by clicking the summary icon, choosing report settings, and saving a copy for your records or for sharing with your project stakeholders. When it's time to wrap up, you can choose to leave the session and resume later, or finish the session to close collaboration for all users. Finishing closes the editing window and prompts you to save files and markups, as well as to generate a final report capturing all changes made during the session. Only admins will have the ability to permanently delete finished sessions from their Studio account. With this style of workflow, you can lead every session with confidence and keep your team working efficiently, wherever they are.